Minnesota here with my good buddy Oregon. Hey, Oregon, how you doing? I'm doing okay. Hey, we're sitting here in a boat. Whoa, there's a bird below me. Can you see that bird? What am I on? I don't know. The bird's pecking on something. Hey, where are we right now? Hawaii? Whoa! Look at that fish. That dolphin jump. Oh, there goes the bird.
That's a dolphin.
Yeah, look at that dolphin. Dolphins aren't fishes.
You're sitting on Alaska.
Come again?
Alaska.
How did Alaska get here?
Because we're doing explosions.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, up in the fool! Ooh, sits on my head.
Sorry, Alaska.
That's okay. Get this bird off me.
We're just doing explosions, Alaska.
Oh, yeah. Who's this, Wyoming?
Colorado. It's not Wyoming.
I get them mixed up every time. Hi, Colorado.
Hey.
Oh, yeah. Hey, look, it's my neighbor to the west. One of Dakota, South Dakota.
Hey, this is South Dakota.
Oh, yeah, how you doing there?
I'm doing okay.
This is Mississippi. I'm gonna hang out with Alaska.
There we go. We're gonna get an explosion.
It's sort of.
Uh-oh. I'm lifted up in the air. I don't know if I like that, I'll tell you that much.
No, you're still sitting on Alaska, right there.
Yeah, but Alaska just pushed me up a little bit.
Yeah. Hey, South Dakota got 2 birds.
Yeah, kill 2 birds with 1 stone.
Yeehaw! Look at those birds out there. Look at that. I killed 3 birds. Yeehaw!
Oh, man, this is gonna be a huge explosion. I can feel it. It's gonna feel like a big gas bubble. This is Kansas. I'll join this.
Whoa. You see that dolphin? He almost ran into Oregon. These things are bubbling there. They're shaking behind underneath me there. Washington! Here we
Oregon.
go. Oh, I'm scared.
Minnesota says,
We're
shaking.
We're shaking. We're going to be in trouble. I can feel it. It's like to be shot out of a cannon.
This is West Virginia. I'll see if I can do that.
This ain't any better spot than I was in before. It's like I got a gun to my head here. This ain't good.
This is Arkansas. Let's see if we can get you out of here.
Yeah! Wow!
they just connected.
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
Yeah! How cool was that? Who connected? Arkansas and West Virginia?
No. Arkansas and West Virginia don't border.
Oh!
This is Wisconsin.
Don't make a bird poop on Green Bay.
Yes, don't let a bird poop on Green Bay. I'm gonna go down here.
Washington, I'm upside down!
Stop screaming, Washington.
Please stop screaming.
No!
Oh my.
I'm not screaming!
You're lying.
What is that noise?
He's lying. He's screaming.
That's just my voice!
Oh my goodness. Can we get rid of Washington, please?
Mississippi says, "Hey, I'm connected to Arkansas."
Hey, look at me, I'm connected to Arkansas, and I got a Tennessee mustache.
No, you're a girl, Mississippi.
Girls don't get mustaches.
Yeah.
That's Indiana. It's starting to bubble up again. This is Nevada.
We got big storms yesterday.
We got some big storms. Almost shut down Las Vegas from flying. Yeehaw!
1 inch of rain will shut down Las Vegas.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Dudes, can I join? Yes, Harry! All right, we got Alaska, Texas, and California all in the same explosion. Guess what's gonna happen?
What?
It's gonna be righteous.
Oh, yeah. Here comes New Mexico.
See, New Mexico, I will see right here.
Border Texas.
Let's see if it lets me border Texas. See, oh, we lost Nevada.
Sorry, Nevada.
I don't know if I like the idea of connecting to Texas. Look at me. I'm scared.
And you're shaking.
Yes, I'm very shaking.
And Wisconsin is shaking.
I am shaking.
We got 2 Alaskas.
Oh boy, oh my goodness. I pay the fools on top right now. Boy, this is gonna be one righteous explosion. We'll probably nail those birds up there in the sky.
We knocked out. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Alaska's spinning.
Underneath the water. That's crazy.
Yeah.
That'll attract sharks. This is me. Just drop me down on top.
Okay. Right here?
Right there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm sliding. Oh! Ayo. Oh!
To Texas.
Oh boy. Yeehaw! We had 2 Alaska, 2 Texas. Let's see what happens. Whoa. There. Ah! Dude, did you see that? We lost everybody. Uh-oh.
Alaska's spinning.
Oh no. Sharks! Oh my goodness. Alaska's spinning. Look at California. You can't even see them. Uh-oh. What's the next one? This is Iowa. Let's see. Send me on top. Oh, we're okay. What happened to Alaska?
They went spinning on the water.
Yep, I think we lost them.
Yeah, we lost him. It was so funny when he spinned on the water.
Spinning around.
Yeah.
Montana. Put me under the water. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't like this. No, oh, no. Oh. This is Kansas. I'll just sit here. Uh-oh. Oh.
Wait, he's still spinning.
Oh my God, he is. Way over there. That's funny. Look over in the lower right-hand corner, viewers.
Look at him. Oh, he's gone.
Oh, he'll come back. Rhode Island.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Peekaboo, here I am. You pop me like a zit. Here's Virginia. Just set me on top. Let's see if I can. Here we go. Uh-oh. This can't be good. No, Adrian, I made it. I made it on this video.
Wait, the explosion's coming.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
Yo, it's me, New York. Here comes an explosion. Uh-oh. Get Rhode Island. Ouch! Ouch! Iowa, how you feeling over there? I'm scared. Dude, don't be scared. Look at Oklahoma. Set him on top.
Alright.
See? Dudes, life is cool.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Dude, are you scared, Oklahoma? A little bit. It's me, Maryland. Oh. I'm helping Rhode Island out. Thank you. You betcha. Colorado.
I'm gonna border Oklahoma.
I'm trying to border Oklahoma. Whoa. Dude, where is everybody?
Uh-oh.
Where's Kentucky? Oklahoma. I'm getting scared. Dude, don't be scared. Cause I'm getting scared. What you do? Oh my goodness. That was loud. Dudes. Dudes. Can you feel the earthquake in just a little bit? Dudes, There's Oregon. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dude, Oregon, you come to hang out with me. Yo, 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 whoa! Dude. Yo, 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 it's me, Idaho. Which way do we go? Idaho. Here's Nebraska.
It's a boy.
Here's Nebraska. Uh-oh, Lord. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I'm really scared. Massachusetts. Hey, they kicked me out of the state. What's up with that?
But
I
Oregon's
drove all the
beating
way
me
in my
up.
car, and Oregon's snapping me in the head. Sorry about that, Massachusetts. Yo, you're lucky I'm not bigger, and I don't have my car with me. I'm running over with my car. Hey, it's me, Arizona. Whoa. Ah! Dude, look at the tail whopping up here.
North Carolina.
It's North Carolina. Dude, you guys ready for an explosion? coming. Here's New Wisconsin. I think I'll make it explode. Here we go. Uh-oh. Whoa! Dude, you see that? We almost ended the game. Look at Washington. Where's Arkansas? Uh-oh. Yo, 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 it's the Idaho, and I'm ready to float. It'll be cold.
The water's not cold.
Oh, oh, no!
I'll make it explode. Here's her.
Here's North Dakota.
The girl.
Here's North Dakota. Oh, we're gonna explode?
Look.
Utah. Uh-oh. Dudes, that one done it. Look at, we're going crazy. Look at Connecticut. I'm really scared. Dude. How you feeling, Oregon? Not too good. Aloha, welcome home. I scared everybody. Welcome to my state. This ain't good. It's South Carolina. Dudes, can you feel it? It's Delaware.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. There's a big gas bubble coming out. Sorry, Utah. That's okay. Dudes. Dude, it's crazy. There's South Dakota. South Dakota. Dudes. What's going on? How's everybody doing? Look at those birds. We're going to shoot for them. Here's Michigan. Dudes, I thought for sure we'd lose it right there.
I'm trying to make the explosion bigger
Yes.
so that we can make it big. Whoa! Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. This weapon change just set me on right up there. Ah! Dude, let's see if we can propel somebody over the... Uh-oh. Hey, it's me, Florida. Dude, let's make a boomerang out of him. I don't like this. Dude. Uh-oh. I might be having a shark nibbling at my feet. Whoa. Uh-oh. I don't like this. I feel like popcorn. No. No. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. 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 Dude, I don't know if we're going to get a huge explosion.
Really?
This is Wyoming.
Okay, this is gonna end the game.
You think so? Let's see.
Yeah, it's gonna border Colorado.
Okay.
I'm not gonna do it.
Do it.
Why?
Just to see.
Oh no. Nope.
Ah! Dude! Look, he's still down there.
Michigan.
There's Michigan. Hey, who's this?
Rhode Island.
There's Rhode Island. Just trying to. Now we're all done. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to tell your friends and family. Subscribe to Minnesota and Oregon. Bye.